If I had to start options trading all over again from day one, this is exactly how I would do it. I've been trading options for the last 5 years, and let me tell you, I've had some great wins, but I've also made a lot of mistakes. I've also learned what really works. I've studied hard, and I've helped over 800 other traders learn how to trade options in simple, smart, and consistent way. So in this video, I'm going to share the exact steps I would take if I had to start over with no tools, no fancy indicator, no paid groups, and no experience. Just me, my laptop, and a plan to build real income and confidence through trading options. So let's get into it. So step one, I would learn market basics. That's where I would start. The first step is learning how the market moves. This is what we call market structure. When I first started, I wish I had not skipped the part of learning what is market structure. What is swing high? What is swing lows? How does the price move? But if you don't understand how price moves, you will be lost in the market. So if I could go back, I would spend time learning simple things like market structure, support and resistance, how trend works, what is CPI, what is PPI, why does this data matters, and what price is doing on the chart. Those are the basic things I would first understand about the market. This will help you stop overthinking. You'll start seeing the market like a story, not just random candles. Most new traders skip this step and get confused. Don't be in a rush. Keep it simple. Focus on learning one thing at a time. Market's not going anywhere. Take your time and focus on one thing, learning at a time. Number two, focus on a trading setup. Take one setup. Don't rush to know everything all at once. Okay. When I was new, I tried everything. Breakouts, reversals, scalps. I didn't even know what I was doing. So if I had to start all over again, I would choose just one setup. For example, supply and demand bounces, breakouts, whatever. Pick the one that you resonates with and stick to it. Practice it. At least give between 1 month to 3 months. Let the strategy prove you. This will help build your confidence and discipline. You get to know your setup really well, when it works, when it doesn't. One of my students, she only trades breakouts, and for the last 6 weeks, now she's making very consistent profits. So the biggest mistake new traders make trying to trade everything they see. Keep it simple and stick to one thing. This would be my step 3, understanding the options. Many people come in the market not knowing how does the options work? How are they calculated? How are you actually making the money? So make sure to learn how does options contract work. Options can look confusing at first. You hear about strike price, expiration date, delta, theta. I get it. I was confused too. But once you learn the basics, it becomes much easier. If I had to go back, I would learn how to pick the right contracts. I would stop buying the cheapest ones just because they cost less. Most of the time, those don't move well and lose value fast. What I wish I knew, pick contracts with the good volume, open interest, solid delta, and enough time until expiration. So you're not fighting against the time decay. Step 4. This is very crucial, very important, is risk management. Risk management is everything. If you don't have risk management, you won't last in the market. So this means how much you risk per trade, how many trades you take per day, when to walk away. If I could go back, I would set clear rules like never risk more than 1% of my account per trade. Only take 2 trades per day. Always have a stop loss in place, no matter what. Why? Because I've seen traders win big in the morning and give it all back by lunchtime. So if you don't protect your capital, you won't last long in the market. Your goal isn't to win every trade, it's to stay in the game. Next step, very important, make sure you journal everything. Every single trade should be in your journal. Yes, I know it sounds boring, but it's one of the best things you can do to grow as a trader. So just write down why you took the trade, what contracts did you take, How did the trade go? How did you feel during that trade when you were in a trade? Were you anxious? Were you calm? This will help you see a pattern in your behavior. So let me give you an example. One of my students, he started journaling after figuring out like something is wrong. So he started journaling. He found out that all of his losses were happening, or most of his losses were happening before 6:45 trades. So now when he gets up, he doesn't even trade until 6:45. He does not take a single trade. He does not open his laptop, and he starts trading after 6:45. And guess what? He's way more consistent. So if you don't track your trades, you won't learn from them. Simple as that. Now, last and very important part, work on your mindset. Step 6. This is the most important part and people ignore it. It's your mindset. This is about patience, discipline, and emotional control. Made money? Great. Don't get greedy. I have seen many traders blow up their account, not because of bad setups, but because of bad mindset. If I had to go back, I would spend just as much time on psychology as I did on charts. So that's the step-by-step process I would follow if I had to start options trading again from zero. But here's the truth. Doing this alone is not easy. Most new traders face 3 big problems: too much information online and no idea where to start, losing money fast by overtrading or using bad contracts, no one to ask questions or check their progress. So now you have 2 choices. 1, you try to figure it out all by yourself. It's possible, but you'll waste a lot of time and probably lose money while trying to learn everything the hard way. Or option 2, you can learn with me. I'll guide you step by step. Don't make the same mistakes I did. You'll learn the right setups, how to manage risk, and how to become a confident trader. If that sounds like something you want, please click at the link in our description. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I would love to hear where you are in your trading journey. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.